Me have couple dog, me know that dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me. I for protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me. If you are free, one of my brother, then you want to free me. After all, dog and us a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in upon a wall. On mark, yeah.
Guys, I'm a bridesmaid.
We need to leave now?
Yes. The bridesmaid. Rock. My friend, I turn wife in a couple hours. It's the brightest day here. Oh, sure.
Live and direct in the flesh.
Up. See Miss Makeup Artist here. Up. We have a clean and fresh. Oh shit! On our way. Ooh, got away. How is the Mirana and bridesmaid? And we're fierce and finished. I'm so excited. Oh my god. My friend give me crackers and cheese. Yeah, and we get real champagne. Champagne. We get what we pay it. Yeah. Big up my good friend Sandy. I just need to wipe up my eyebrow, people.
I want him to take picture with the playful picture for me. Jesus Christ, man, I'm gonna get greedy, you know.
Shit, me never put on a deodorant. It's alright if I stink.
And that shit boobies on YouTube.
But it's on YouTube.
Oh, what
A
up?
snap.
What do you find out to them family? If I start finding the last one, I'm blocked there.
Well, them not have me, so them can't send up to me. Bridesmaids.
I know that's this, yeah.
Will you put a look at it? People, my friend, I'm married. Ray, she am married. Sandy say hi to my vlog. Hi, big old broad back. Hey. Are we a lit photographer?
I found love.
Sunflowers, girl.
Yay! You Tanya, come! Oh my god, you look so pretty! Where's your basket? Okay, good.
No.
Come, be positive. You look beautiful, Sandy.
Yeah. Honey bunny.
Hey, look for my good friend. She look authentic. When you look for me maid of honor, come my wife. Jesus Christ. Brother. You ready? Me and she. What? You guys, it's time. We're walking down the aisle.
Nervous like a baby.
Jesus Christ. Y'all, I'm canceling my wedding. Me not do it. Me nervous. You guys, we're about to walk into Sandy's wedding. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you, Sandy. I love you so much.
Congratulations, girl.
Up to the prettiest bridesmaids of 2017. Shade.
Hello.
Woy. Rain. Oh, and you can't forget the flower girl. Look, my wife. Say hi. You don't look no way. That'd be nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, goodies.
Kiss up your husband, you son.
As of today, October, anybody calling me, just address me as Mr. Duncan.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Duncan. That's how you feel.
Good.
You feel good, good. Yes, brother, brother, and sister, sister.
My sister and my brother.
That's all I can say.
They're married, you guys. They're married. We're not have to ask me no more. They're married. Wait, so what is? Yeah, they're married now, so you guys don't have to ask anymore. My dog, them have to make
Your wife. Your girlfriend.
time right now, so
Big up Marie.
2 years ago, he was going on. One down, 3 to go.
One down, 3 more. Why? You can do anything you like. Long as you already be alright, me know your mother family like you. To what the mother like. Plus the one on the other side. Just a one girl, alright. Come around and pick up she pretty fun any side. I'm a squad. Your skin clean, take time.
He's playing a retrospective of a Korean
Flush your
band
breath,
for
come in our choice.
Click
Well,
life
well,
and
well,
music.
well. Things for So you guys, we are in the limousine. Shut it, big up yourself, Whitney.
I'm telling you something.
The chef
I just watch out for my wedding next year, yeah? That's the one I'm big up the couple, but
Big up,
Still string the time.
up, up,
And I was on my way.
up. Sammy, say I look for my pretty wife, Rick. And then Sammy, hello, madam, say I. Oh, that is so pretty. Yeah, Mr. Say hi.
She said she used to it, she wanna go away. Okay, baby, if you used to it. And I know that you a grown woman. And I
Send me never get a pussy there again. Can be rougher than a man with a man. She come from the baby. Bring 30 gal and make it represent.
Pretty girl with a body that would have had anybody. Know me, did I bring it up on the team? Yeah, so cocky first time done. How do you say if you know what I mean? You say, hey, pretty girl, what to do out there? Say she acting, I love her, no, she don't care. Pretty girl with a body that would have had anybody. So me take her off on the scene. You're right up.
She say you're ready, she say no, sir. See me cut the sucky, get no attack. I'll be the one because she a scratch. I make you walk funny, cock and rock it up. Baby, you a dancer. You look so innocent, you wouldn't think you want her. After me, show her the ex-dancer.
You're pretty and you elegant. You're not for yourself, but you have already man. All natural like Netherlands. I'm a boy, when we flex, however. Matchy, but matchy too. We fuck around with just the wrong people. The man are wicked and the man are evil. Call us scared to go we evil. Pretty girl looks like a typical. Give me all of your love, it's your reciprocal. And you call me the lyrical. Okay, my person give you the physical. Good times!
What is that now, extreme? Yo!
It's good. Work every day till the weekend. Happy time it's up on the weekend. Yeah, but I do much to the regret. I know. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Top of the line, you want the bumper pan?
Someone said them again, it's a no. We got the
Next
flowers.
Bumper! Yeah! Everything I'm a make sense on. Take a band-aid and put it over the wood.
Everything I'm gonna make sense soon. Let the band-aid and put it over the wood.
Well. Don't give me that talk. I want it fast. Left from my school and straight up me turn a boss. Give me that talk. Young man. Push that a bit, take off, no give me that talk. I want it fast. It's up on my waist and me no give me what me ask. No give me that talk. I want it fast. Yo, Sandy picked the best bridesmaids, you know. Are we turn up for you, you know, Boxer? Ross. Sammy, you look so pretty. You look so pretty. My pretty wife. Look at my pretty wife. I'm a bridesmaid. I'm a bridesmaid.